Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we look at what's called spendthrift trusts, and which prevents new creditors from compelling the trustees to expend money for the person who's the beneficiary. And one of the major cases that addressed this was the case of Tannen versus Tannen. That's spelled Tannen, which was first decided by the Appellate Division at 416 N.J.Super 248 Appellate Division 2010, and then affirmed by the New Jersey Supreme Court 2008 N.J. 409 2011. So the Supreme Court confirmed that a spendthrift trust cannot be invaded for support or equitable distribution in a divorce. The Tannen Appellate Division Court wrote, "Our courts have repeatedly recognized that broad discretion accorded trustees of a discretionary trust and therefore implicitly limits upon the beneficiary's ability to compel a specific exercise of the trustee's discretion." So the beneficiary can't compel the trustee to spend money. Let's see, even if they take him to court, the courts have affirmed that it got to be what the trustee determines, not what the beneficiary wants. Let's see, for example, there's an old case that refused to compel a trustee to disburse funds for the child's private schooling because that was within the discretion of the trustee. Let's see now. The Tannen case is a significant case for estate planning. Since the appeals court decision was affirmed, it has the force of a New Jersey Supreme Court decision. It upholds the long-standing position that by conveying assets into a trust, a transferor of property, a parent-grandparent, can protect the assets through the terms of the trust in a matter greater than if the assets had been left outright and free of the trust. Also prevents the kids from just blowing the money outright. Clients often want to ensure that their hard-earned wealth is maintained for decedents and not in-laws who can quickly become outlaws in a divorce setting. And that's the case of Tannen versus Tannen. For other information on estate planning, visit website njlaws.com. And for assistance in estate planning, contact Kenneth Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.